Guess where I'm at? I'm here at Goodwill. And look what I just found. This cute little like slip. It's striped. I don't know. What do you guys think? I don't know. We'll try it on later, but like this is my first find right now. And I got my coffee. Coffee and thrifting. Yeah, like this.
Dice que para agarrar el azul especial y bueno tiene que estar cuando abre. Dice que hay una línea no tan grande, pero dice que sí. Y sí agarra mucho.
Voy a tratar entonces venir cuando abran.
Y yo porque no alcanzo, salgo ya tarde.
Oh.
No alcanzo a venir, si no me gustaría porque dice que hay señoras que agarran todo lo azul y después ya escogen el que se quieren dejar.
Oh.
Pero tiene que madrugar. Bueno, no madrugar, pero...
Y abren a las...
No sé, creo que a las 9. ¿A qué horas abren, muchacha?
¿Dónde?
¿A qué horas abren?
A las 10.
O a las 10. Buena hora. No es ni muy tarde ni muy temprano.
Sí, ¿verdad?
It's so cute, you see? It's like a shirt dress. So I kind of like this, but then I'm like, I don't know. Like, I don't like the slit that comes up here because I would want to wear it for like, you know? Gosh, I wish you guys can see me. Look. I'm gonna just put you guys like right there. There. Okay, much better. Okay, so there's a dress. I don't know. It's a satin dress. It's a cute big sleeve dress, but I don't know. IDK guys, IDK. Okay. And then this, it's like a cute little black. Too many floral skirts already. Like linen pants, kinda like, you know, just for like. Let me see. I'm gonna try that on.
The blue price tag. Thank you again for shopping with Goodwill USA.
Let's try it on. Wait, is that like a... It's cute. I like it.
Hello?
Or the tank top. Wait, does it go sideways or does it go like...
No, I never said upstairs. Well, actually, sí llevé como 2 o 3.
I like it a lot.
I don't know, pero ya en un rato llego, porque doña Elvira de Arrojipe que me gustaba llegar.
Cute little skirt. Okay. Look how cute
No,
that
let me
is.
pick her up first.
Look, it's cute.
No sé, I gotta call your tía. Okay,
Okay, this is cute.
Ok, pues ahí te hablo. Ahí te hablo. Ok, vale,
Usted como está delgadito, todo le ve bonito.
Oh, gracias.
Pero ya uno ya no le pone, le busca y no quiere.
Gracias.
pues yo te llamo.
Pero ¿y qué que puedo bajar de peso, mija? Lo he buscado para ver si bajo, porque yo antes, pues uno de muchacha siempre come. Pero mucha gente dice que porque tienes hijos, no, uno se deja.
No,
Yo tengo una amiga que tiene, sin mentirle, tiene como 65. Si usted no le ve su cara, porque la nena tiene bonita, si usted tiene, va a llegar a vieja con su cara bonita, porque tiene el cutis bien, pues. Ella igual. Y si no le ve la cara, usted le ve la como una señorita, pues. Pero ella se ha mantenido a comer siempre, a tratar de cuidarse. Y yo me descuidé, pues, ay, ya va a comer, uno va a comer.
No, pero todavía está bien atractiva usted.
No, pero ¿sabe qué? Siempre lo delgado más bien es como la salud. Y aparte de que si uno se puede poner de todo, pero que así no se puede. Me pongo yo algo, mira, ando flojito porque ya está aquí, ya está acá. Y así ya no luce en una ropa. No luce. Y como que uno se va metiendo aquello que no se ve bien también y no se ve bien. Y ahora estoy tratando, dije, no, ahora voy a proponerme.
No, qué bien.
Estoy trabajando en un lugar donde no se come tortilla y yo la tortilla y el arroz como que son mis amigos para subir.
Sí, nosotros sin la tortilla y el arroz, no,
Sí,
sí.
pero es que educarse, pues.
Ajá.
El fin de semana comer y entre semana no volarle, pero uno le vuela todo el tiempo.
Es difícil, sí, pero es la disciplina
Pero
que...
dicen que es difícil, pero no imposible. ¿Sabe quién yo me gusta mirar? A esa muchacha, a la Mari López, esa que le dio el cáncer, que era la esposa de Luis Ponce. Me encanta verla, ella está chiquita, pero antes se engordó tan feo que ay no. Y después fue poniéndose, aunque le dio su cáncer, pero Dios la ha salvado de él. Y qué bonita cualquier cosa que se ponga se ve bonita. No más que a veces como les cogen la ropa, ellos ponen unas que... Pero pues hay de todo, pues para que se vea bien, que se vea. Es como la crítica, ellas están en el ojo del huracán.
Oh, sí, ay, sí.
Oh, available manager up front, please. Available manager up front, please. Thank you.
Otro día quería uno poner con estos ojos a ver qué pasa. Parece que este
Oh,
está
eso está bien bonito.
grande. Ajá. Pero a mí me gusta ponérmelos con listra.
Oh,
Está bien este.
sí, está bien bonito ese.
No, es que no tiene el color. Oh, sí,
Oh,
mire.
mira,
¿Cuánto
sí.
vale?
Eso va a ser como
mitad,
5. 5 y algo le
sí
sale.
está bien. Como que sí me ayuda.
Ajá. This dress, but it doesn't fit me. Okay, so now time to narrow it down. So far, I have this dress, which I haven't tried on, but I'm gonna just take it. And then it's $8.99. And I have this dress. I don't know how I feel about this one yet.
You have to pay first before you put it on. Excuse me, sir. Sir. Excuse me. So you need to pay first. You want to get in line now?
Good morning, guys. It is 6:50 something. I don't know, but I was gonna do an at-home Pilates workout, but I was like, you know what? I really want to run. I really want, like, you know. So we're gonna go run. We're gonna go run. Shorts. I'm gonna wear. I got this Los Angeles Apparel sports bra, but I'm gonna wear a shirt, a long sleeve like workout shirt, because yeah, there's too many men out there, and I'm not trying to do all that. Okay, this is the running fit. It is a park near here, and I still haven't went. I pass by it every time I go to Starbucks. So you know what? We're gonna fucking go run. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go. You know, I'm not feeling like at my best right now as far as like emotionally. So I think the best way to like let myself process my emotions and kind of you know, deal with my emotions is by working out. I think it's like the healthiest way to go about it. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take you guys with me, but fuck, like I'm like, do I have like a little bag or something I can take you guys running with me? So I can, yeah, fuck it. I'm gonna wear these. Ow, something in my eye. I'm telling you guys, Reeboks are like the best sneaker. I'm not even like kidding. Like, I literally, these are like the old ones, but I have some newer ones that I've been wearing like literally every day. But they are the most comfortable fucking shoe. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, they're so comfortable. Like, you can literally walk on like in these fucking sneakers for like forever. My bed. It's Sunday, so today I'm probably going to post on my Depop. Oh my god, I started posting on my Depop again, so if you guys are interested, go check it out. I'm gonna have my links all down below. And yeah, okay, so I'm gonna take my little Calvin Klein waistband. Hey, how's it going? Huh? What's up? Hey dude, what happened? Huh? Okay, I'm gonna go run, okay? I'll be back, bye. What they think? Happy. I'm here. I made it. It's a pretty small park. It's chill, but I'm just gonna run some laps and stuff. But I'm gonna stretch first, cause yeah, we gotta stretch first. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. It's a pretty chill park. What a good run. I don't know why, but my thighs are getting itchy. I don't know why. Maybe like, I don't think I jumped in front of a bush or anything, but I don't know, it's just getting itchy. Whew. But I'm just chilling right now, catching my breath. I was going up some stairs, girl. Those stairs murdered me. And they fucking killed me. But yeah, I'm gonna just chill. I should have brought a water bottle. I don't know why I wasn't thinking about bringing a water bottle. But yeah, I'm about to get back on it. And yeah, I think one of the important things about running is like your breathing. You know what I mean? Like when you're feeling out of breath, because you are like going like you know what I mean? So like I think it's important to take deep breaths in and deep breaths out, you know, when you're running, because I feel like when you start to take control of your breathing, you last longer when you're running. But yeah, we're gonna get back to it right now. Whew, I am so tired. I probably ran about like 2 miles or so, around there. Yeah. Whew, I'm exhausted. But you see this area right here, like the little benches and the grass, it kind of reminds me of Paris, by the Louvre, like the park that's by the Louvre. I don't know how you call, I forgot how you call the park, but yeah, I think I might have lunch one of these days. Maybe they have like a mukbang or something, and just like sit on one of these benches and act like I'm in Paris or something. I actually woke up and I was looking at Airbnbs in France. They're pretty cheap, surprisingly. Like I found them for like 40 a night or so. I think the lowest I saw was like 30 something. So that's not bad. I really want to travel. I think the first time that I went to Paris, like I really didn't process it. You know what I mean? Like I still can't believe that I went to Paris. Like I haven't fully processed it in my mind, you know what I mean? So I'm like, what the fuck, I went to Paris? But yeah, right now I'm thinking about going to Chick-fil-A. I'm gonna see if it's open to get breakfast. But then I'm like, to walk it, I don't know, should I get some Starbucks? I kind of want a green tea lemonade or something. We'll see right now. It's hot, but we're gonna start cooking. I'm gonna make some carne and su jugo, and I'm making some fresh frijoles blancos right now. I've never made frijoles blancos before, but I was like, oh, I'm gonna try, you know, try something new. And yeah, so let's go cook. No offense, but even if she's gonna put these to dorar. This chile poblano.
You mind telling me what the hell is doing?
Breakfast, Professor Salvatore?
No, as of right now, the other side is disintegrating.
You don't know where I can find a traveler, do you? You know, travelers, vagabonds and the like. Haven't seen any. Why? I've got 2 brain dead teenagers who did.
Well, by all means, have a seat.
I think to be rude, I've come here for a chat. No, darling. Perhaps Caroline told you I've been good on a promise. From the... Turns out Maggie died in 19... There's a good soldier. Okay, so... I had a special vampire patient named 121. This is ridiculous. In 1960...
Okay, I'm gonna try one of the chiles because the last time that I got these chiles, they weren't spicy at all, and I'm trying to eat spicy, so I need to
Start for impulse control. Don't worry. I'm not here to judge.
Who the hell are you?
Maggie James. And yours.
spicy.
And the witch's magic. Are you clever? Your magic's weird.
Great reaction to torture? This whole time I thought I was doing you some favor by teaching you magic.
For an article.
About doppelganger blood. Stranozomi Jesem Nazatri. What do you say we get out of here? First?
Down. What you seem to do, and make it apologize in person.
Tyler's back. We should get over there and grab my stuff.
I know I shouldn't lie.
He deserves it.
Okay guys, I'm gonna do, ooh, I'm gonna show my address. I'm gonna do a little haul of stuff that this company sent me to do some content for them. I'm excited. I got an air fryer. And then I got these reusable bags for like grocery shopping and stuff. So, let me see. Super cute for grocery shopping. Because you guys know I go grocery shopping a lot, duh. And I got these little bags. So fucking cute. I love it. It's like for like vegetables and stuff, instead of using the little plastic bags, I could just use these, right? So cute. I'm so excited. Yeah, they sent me this, so I'm gonna make content for them. I actually ordered these bags. I ordered a candle. They gave me credit to shop on their app and stuff, so I can you know, pick out the stuff that I like. And I got like $170 credit or something. So I got some headphones. I haven't received those. And I got this. I got this air fryer. I got a Dutch oven pan. It's pink. It's cute. I got a body pillow too. So I'm excited to make some content for them. And I will be posting that content on their app. It's a shopping app where like you make content from like the stuff, like the items that they have on their app. You buy, you make content, you sell, I mean not sell, you post the content and people are able to buy that product that you posted content of from that video. So you could just add to cart, you know. So for example, like if I make content with this air fryer, there'll be like a add to cart option on that video, and you can just buy straight off of that, and it's just an easier shopping experience. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I have an air fryer. Bro, thank you for choosing Saki. So I'm excited to, oh my god. Ow, that hurt. Whoa, this is a big Papa air fryer. Oh my god, I've never had an air fryer. I know, I'm probably the only person in the world that doesn't have an air fryer. Literally, everybody has an air fryer. Cute, and it comes with like recipe books. I love recipes. I love trying new recipes. Okay, so basically this air fryer, I can literally control it from my phone. So that's cool. That's really cool. Let's look at the inside and see what the deal. Whoa. Just a standard air fryer. I'm excited to make like tortillas and stuff, like tortilla chips for like my chilaquiles and stuff, so I don't have to fry them in all that oil. So I'm excited for that. Even my taquitos, like I don't, you know, since I'm like trying to eat healthy as much as I can, I'm so excited. This is so cool. I'm so excited. I need to find a place for it. Cute. And look, so fucking cute. I love this tote bag. It literally looks like the one that I use to go grocery shopping. Like the color and stuff, it's like a natural bamboo color, I guess. 3 bags, sourced cotton, 100% cotton, ethically made, sustainable, lightweight, eco-friendly, cute. I love it. So now I have all these bags to go shopping, grocery shopping with, so I don't have to, like, you know, be a good, cute. Put my cilantro in here. I can put like my, wait, I wonder if you can do that, because you know how they weigh the stuff when you're like checking out. I don't know, I guess we'll see. Maybe I just will put bag stuff in here, but it's so cute. I'm obsessed. But yeah, that's the little haul. So far I'm waiting on the Dutch oven and the little candle. And yeah. Okay guys, it is already nighttime. It's 9:20 right now, so I'm just going to get ready for bed because yeah, it's already 9:20. I want to get ready for bed and wash my face, and yeah. Yeah, so I'm using this egg cleansing foam. It's a Korean skincare, Korean face wash. I love Korean face. I cannot fucking talk, guys. I like Korean skincare. Putting on makeup and the process of makeup, like, genuinely love it. I've always just done my makeup. I just always loved doing my makeup and stuff since I was a teenager. As soon as I turned probably like, I would say like 12, I started doing my makeup. I was just like always a girly girl and stuff. But nothing compares to the feeling of when like your face is just clean and just like you feel like you just took off like 10 pounds off your face or something, you know. Especially during the summer, it's just, you know, yeah. But I love makeup, so who cares. Do much as far as like skincare. I do a mask like once every 2 weeks, and then, or like once a week, it depends how I'm feeling. depends if I wore a lot of makeup. Like if I wore a lot of makeup throughout the week, I definitely do like a weekly mask, like a deep cleaning mask. But I really don't do much. I use obviously SPF, and then for nighttime, like right now, I just use like castor oil because it's good for you. And yeah, but I don't know, lately I've been breaking out on my chin a lot. I think it's like, I don't know if it's like hormonal or like, I don't know what it is, but yeah, it's been breaking out a lot. So I've been trying to not wear makeup during the week and just wear makeup like weekends and stuff, and just have my little fun, you know, like treat myself basically in the weekends, because I can't during the week. Just trying to give my skin a little break. But that's pretty much all I do. I don't do much. I was using vitamin C serum a lot, but I stopped. I just stopped buying it for I don't even know why. I just stopped buying it, but I think I want to go back to it. I just want to find like the perfect routine for myself, specifically made for me, and I'm still kind of in the journey of trying to find the perfect routine, skincare routine or whatever. But for right now, this is like literally my holy grail. This is all I use, and I'm pretty. But yeah, so right now I'm actually gonna I do a coconut oil pulling every night. It's coconut oil is like has really good benefits for like your dental health and stuff like that. Just do your research on it before you start doing it, but I've been doing it almost every night, every day. So yeah, and I get really nice compliments about my teeth. It melted. Okay, I just brushed my teeth and did my little gua sha routine or whatever. And yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep right now. I want to wake up early tomorrow. It's Sunday, so I want to edit this vlog at Starbucks nearby or something, get cute, you know, and just maybe just walk around. I don't know, we'll see. But mainly I just want to edit this vlog somewhere, because I've been home just doing stuff at home and stuff all day today, and I don't know, I want to be outside tomorrow, so we're gonna do that. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. Nighty night. Good morning, guys. I am all freshed and showered up. I'm about to do my hair. I usually sit like in my little floor pillow right here, and then I have like a little floor pillow right here, and then I just plug in my oh so trusty blow dryer, and then this is all I use. Curl enhancing smoothie that I'm literally almost out of. I knew I should have bought a second tub when I ordered this one. And then I used some oil. I was using the Gisso, this one, but I finished it. I just put a little bit just to keep my hair, you know, nice and not frizzy. But I've been using this one, Love Hair Oil. These are both gifted, so yeah. If it wasn't because they were gifted, I probably wouldn't be using them, but since they're gifted, we use them, and they actually make my hair, like, you know, pretty good or whatever. So, whoa. I think I'm gonna put on some Vamp Diaries right now while I do my hair. So I'm gonna do a little time lapse of me doing my hair. Annabelle Murphy. Excuse me. Excusez-moi. I just got back on my Duolingo grind, so I can, you know, I was actually doing really good at it. Like last year I was being very consistent, but yeah, I really want to learn a third language. Like I really want to. I feel like it enriches you, and I feel like it's like mentally, like a mental workout. Like it exercises your brain of some sort, you know what I mean? So yeah. And that is it.
Could you spare some dinner for 200 students and finish with
Okay, so I'm done with my makeup. So cute. It's such a gloomy day today, but it's gonna be hot.
One of my men again. I will one of you and feed me out of the entrails.
I don't like gloomy. We had way too much gloomy this year that I'm just like over it. Like, I just want to see the sun. Anyway, hold on. Let me pause this real quick. So, I'm about to get dressed. I'm actually about to film a get ready with me for TikTok. And then we're gonna go to Starbucks. I'm gonna edit this vlog, and yeah. I'm gonna spend a whole, like, I literally, it takes me to like 2 to 3 hours depending on how my editing is, like how creative I'm trying to be. I'm trying to really branch out into being a little bit more creative with my editing, but I'm still in the learning process. But yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna just pick out my outfit and film this get ready with me right now. Alrighty guys, I'm ready to go. This is the fit. Wait, hold on, let me show you guys. Let me like put you guys somewhere. Perf. Okay, this is a fit. Very summery, cute. I'm wearing sneakers because I am gonna be walking. So yeah, that's the fit. Normal. Hold on, I don't like how you guys are planted right now. Yeah, I think this is better. Okay, yeah, this is a fit. And I'm just gonna pack my bag and we're out. We are outie. We can roll your boat gently down the street. Oh, I like that better. I like that. Ooh, 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 ooh. Cute fit. Okay, I'm gonna just pack my stuff and we're gonna go. So we're just walking right now. Walking to our destination. The sun is finally starting to come out, which yay, because I love the sun. But yeah, I'm just walking now. This is my view currently. Listening to some house music too. I was such a party girl back in the day that like when I listen to like house music, it just like brings me back to when I was like a party girl. Like I would literally go out every weekend. Not saying that's a good idea, because if I could go back I wouldn't do that, but I had a lot of good times, so it's like, you know. But yeah, I feel pretty. It's giving coquet. It's giving castle vibes, if you know what I mean. I love like Victorian, like coquet, grandma, but like modern-ish grandma vibe. I don't know if you get what I'm saying, but Yeah, it's starting to get hot actually, so I'm like literally on fucking what was I gonna say? I forgot what I was gonna say. Ricas pupusas over there. Huh, maybe one of these days I should come and try. I actually ate breakfast before. I came because I've been fasting for like 17 hours, I believe, or 18. I actually stopped eating like at 4 p.m. yesterday, and I didn't eat till today at 10. So it's about 18 hours or so. Yeah, I've been doing fasting on and off for the past few years actually. Like I took a break from it when probably 5 years ago I took a break from it, but now I'm like back on it because it just makes you feel good, you know? Like I'm the type of like eater to where like I need to eat till I'm like fully satisfied, and for me feeling fully satisfied is feeling like super like bloated and like full, you know? And it doesn't feel good, honestly. It really does not feel good to feel like that. So I really want to build like a healthy relationship with the way that I eat and stuff like that. So yeah, but it's so awkward, dude. I'm trying so hard to like, who cares, like, you know, like I want to film in public. Like why should I care? Like who cares? Like, you know, like I sometimes think like, dude, like nobody even cares. Like, and regardless, like it's fun. I like to vlog and stuff, so like it's what I enjoy doing. So like why should I let anybody, especially people that I don't know, stop me from doing what I love, right? Anyways, but yeah, so I want to build like a healthy relationship with like eating and stuff. So yeah, fasting is something that has helped me kind of be like strict, not strict, but like kind of discipline myself with my eating habits and stuff. I want to be healthy overall, you know. I just want to be a healthy person and do what I can to take care of my health. So yeah,